In front of me is DOOGEE V20, and let me show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select Biometrics and Password right here, and go to Fingerprint. And now you need to provide your pattern if you have one, and if you don't, you need to provide a new one. Now tap on Next, and right here you've got your fingerprint sensor. So you just need to grab your phone and place your fingerprint on the sensor. So just tap it till it's fully added, lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only or with your backup pattern. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.